Myself, Ghulam Nabi Mir, Master Boys Higher Secondary School, Lalpura. Now I am delivering lecture of class 9th on subject mathematics. Today our topic is triangles, exercise 7.4, question number 5 and 6. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will solve question number 5 in figure PR and PQ. PR and PQ of triangle PQR. PR is greater than PQ and PS. This line PS bisects angle QPR. Prove that angle PSR, this angle, is greater than angle PSQ. Solution: given in triangle PQR, PR is greater than PQ. PR is greater than PQ, that is angle 4 is greater than angle 1. 4 angle 6. Angle 4 is greater than angle 6. And PS, this line, bisects angle QPR. To prove, angle PSR is greater than angle PSQ. Angle PSR is greater than angle PSQ. Proof: PR is greater than PQ given in the question, which implies that angle 4 is greater than angle 6. First. Also, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Second, given because PS bisects angle QPR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Adding first and second, we get angle 4 plus angle 1 is greater than angle 2 plus angle 6. Angle 4 plus angle 1 is the sum of the opposite angles of an exterior angle PSR, which is denoted by angle 5, is greater than angle 2 and angle 6 is the sum of the opposite angles of an exterior angle 3 PSQ, which is denoted as angle 3. Hence, angle PSR is greater than angle QSP. Here, because here angle 3 is exterior angle of triangle PSR, and angle 5 is exterior angle of triangle QSP, PSQ. Show that of all line segments drawn from a given point not on it, the perpendicular line segment is the smallest. This is line segment L, and P is point here. Draw PM perpendicular on this line segment L. Solution. Let P be any point not on the straight line. This point is not on the straight line segment M. PM perpendicular, this line PM perpendicular on line segment L, and N is any point on line segment L. N is any point on the line segment L. In triangle PMN, we have angle M. This PMN is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle N, this angle, PNM, is less than 90 degree, because angle M is equal to 90 degree, which implies angle MPN plus angle PNM is equal to 90 degree. Angle M is 90 degree, which implies that angle MPN, this angle, plus this angle PNM is equal to 90 degree. Which implies angle P plus angle N is equal to 90 degree, which implies angle N is less than 90 degree, or angle N is less than angle M. This angle N is less than angle M. So, PM is less than Pn. Pm is less than Pn because side opposite to greater angle is longer. Hence, PM is the shortest of all line segments from hence PM is the shortest of all line segments drawn from a given point not on it. The perpendicular is the shortest.